Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time. So guys, when you try to create Apple ID on your iPhone or on your any iPhone like 6, 7, 8 to 16, and you will see this type of error again and again, I will help you how can you fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix it. First of all, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, scroll it down, click on general and check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. Now scroll it down, check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN and click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. After this guys, go back. Now you have to scroll it down, click on screen time, and you need to click on content and privacy restrictions, and you need to remove all the restrictions from here, and after this go back. So guys, now you have to go back and open your app store. From here you need to click on your main icon, and you need to sign out your old Apple ID, and you need to create your new Apple ID from this app store. And after this your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, no need to worry, open your settings, scroll it down, click on apps, and guys from here you need to click on contacts, account, add account, iCloud, and here you can see create a new Apple account. So guys, from here you need to create new Apple ID, and you can easily create your new Apple ID without any error. So guys, if still not fix your problem and still can't create your new Apple ID, open your Apple Sport app, scroll it down, click on more products, click on Apple account, and scroll it down and click on other Apple account topics and creating an Apple account, and click on call. And you need to call at these numbers, and you have to tell your problem, and they will respond to you and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.